Are you still sitting on the sidelines watching other creators hit massive daily revenues while you struggle to make a dime? Stop scrolling, because today I'm showing you absolute proof of what is happening behind the scenes right now. My name is Adam and Froy, and what you see on your screen is live, uninterrupted proof from the Adsterra loading method. Look at those earnings rolling in. We are talking about a minimum guarantee of $100 every single day, right from day one. You don't need to wait months to see results, and you don't need to spend thousands on upfront traffic. The best part about this system? It requires zero heavy equipment. You don't need an expensive high-end computer, and you don't even need a website. All you need is your standard device and a simple Adsterra direct link to get the bot running smoothly. There are no hidden costs, no surprise expenses, and no extra investments needed down the road. You pay once, and the method is yours forever. The full Adsterra loading method bot is available for a straight one-time payment of $250. I accept payments securely through Binance, USDT, and Payout. Now, I know the internet is full of fake screenshots and edited videos, which is why I do things differently. If you have even a shadow of a doubt about these numbers, message me directly. I will connect with you live via any desk and show you my actual Adsterra dashboard right in front of your eyes. Don't let another day pass leaving money on the table. Message me right now, get your setup running today, and start generating real income. Check the details below to claim your spot before price increases.